Hi guys, good morning. How are you doing? It's a beautiful Saturday morning. I just woke up. Okay, I woke up like um 10 minutes ago. I said my prayer and just read this scripture. Um, I feel good this morning. Anyway, I feel good. Even though I didn't eat last night because I prepped ingredients for food, and then Nepal decided that yesterday was the day that they would show me shege. There was no light to blend the pepper I was going to use to cook. I wanted to make spaghetti, and my generator, I can't pull it. I can't turn it on. I don't have energy. There's something wrong with it, so it's just my husband that can turn it on, and it traveled. So I just had conflicts last night and I slept. But this morning there's light. I actually woke up earlier. Like I woke up around 5 when I saw that there was still light. And I went to just already blend the pepper and crayfish before NEPA will take the light when I wake up, and same thing will happen again. Affliction cannot rise for the second time. So I'm up. I have a lot to do today. Like I have a delivery today. I have an order to deliver today. I need to go and bake the cake, chocolate cake. Um, I made zobo yesterday. I need to cook that food before Kamsi wakes up, because nowadays once she wakes up, the food should just be in her front. So I have to cook that. I wanted to make moi moi today, but since I already prepped some things last night for the spaghetti, we'll just have that today. But I'm still going to make the moi moi. Have moi moi and custard for dinner. My husband is not around. It's just me. I can't see today. Yeah, that's it. Then I need to look for what we're going to wear tomorrow to church. I need to press the cloth. Oh, excuse me. I'm supposed to mop the house. But it seems like the Amatan has calmed down. Everywhere is not so dusty. Maybe I'll just clean the chairs, clean the TV stand, and all. I don't know if I'll still be able to mop. Which is waking up. Yeah, and I want to do a little bit of self care today. See my nails. I did not fix what's it called? Acrylic. It's the normal plastic abi rubber nails I did, and cut my nails in half. Oh yeah, I feel like I want to fix my nails today. Change the polish on my toes. This hair, I'm going to carry this hair until I'm ready to make my Christmas hair. I don't know what it is, if I'll be buying a new wig, or I'm sure I'm not doing braids because I'm not a braid person. I can't sit down for that long. So guys, let's just go and start doing what we have to do today and see how the day goes. I hope I'm Oh my god, they've taken the light.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away, see if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. assault, but down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. But if I'm gonna lose you.
It's my face. This is how I sweat. I'm wearing a singlet, but I'm still sweating like this. I've not mopped. I've not. I just cleaned, dusted everywhere, and swept. I think I need to take a break. Then I continue mopping. I have to wash the toilets and the bathrooms.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away, see if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, replaying our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line.
Hi guys, it's evening. It's time to make um moi. I've added my seasoning and vegetable oil. I like more fish compared to egg in my moi. So I just broiled some mackerel fish, spiced it and broiled it. So my madam's already crying, so I have to do this like sharp now, really fast. It's advised to put one leaf under the pot you're using before you put your wrap so it doesn't stick to the
sports when